Virtual meeting of the Anne Arundel County Council is now in session. We are here today to introduce and vote on a resolution. Madam Secretary, please call the roll.
Mr. Smith.
Present.
Ms. Pickard.
Present.
Mr. Volke.
Present.
Ms. Hummer.
Present.
Ms. Fiedler.
Present.
Ms. Rodvian.
Present.
Ms. Ledbetter.
Present.
And Legislative Council Meredith Beach.
Present.
All are present and accounted for, Madam Chair.
Thank you. It's great to see everybody mid-August. Madam Secretary, please read the Open Meetings Act statement. Virtual meeting of the Anne Arundel County Council
The
is
county
now in
attorney
session.
has
We are
asked
here
that I
today
read
to
the following
introduce
statement.
and vote on
The
a
Maryland
resolution.
Open Meetings
Madam
Act
Secretary,
is a state
please
law
call
that
the roll.
requires. Mr. Smith.
Present.
Ms.
You're
Pickard.
frozen.
Meeting of the County Council. Can you see me now?
We can see you. You just froze for a minute. You want to start the Open Meetings Act over, maybe?
Sure, I apologize.
No problem.
The county attorney has asked that I read the following statement. The Maryland Open Meetings Act is a state law that requires public meetings to be open to the public and to be held in places reasonably accessible to individuals who would like to attend these meetings. In addition, provisions of the county charter and the rules of procedure open to the public and held in Annapolis as the county seat. The virtual format of this meeting of the County Council includes alternate accessibility features that the Open Meetings Act Compliance Board and the courts have reviewed and approved, such as having a call-in phone number that allows anyone with phone to call and listen to the meeting, allowing written comments from the public to be filed with the clerk and considered by the council, and now allowing the public to call in via Zoom and testify live. The public access provided by this technology makes this virtual meeting reasonably accessible to the public as required by the Open Meetings Act. In addition, and for all the same reasons, it is not necessary to suspend the rules of procedure of the County Council that apply to public participation and reasonable seating for the public or media or the location of council meetings. These rules have been deemed satisfied and do not need to be waived in order for this meeting to be held.
Thank you. Madam Secretary, please read the title of resolution number 33-24.
Resolution number 3324. Resolution approving the engagement of Crammon and Graham PC for the purposes of assisting in an inquiry.
Thank you. May I have a motion to suspend Rule 5-106 so that resolution number 33-24 may be voted on this morning?
So moved.
There's a second?
Second.
Thank you. This motion has been moved and seconded. Madam Secretary, please call the roll to suspend Rule 5-106 this morning.
Mr. Smith.
Aye.
Mr. Volke.
Aye.
Ms. Hummer.
Aye.
Ms. Fiedler.
Aye.
Ms. Rodvian.
Aye.
Ms. Ledbetter.
Aye.
And Ms. Pickard.
Aye.
7 in the affirmative, none in the negative. The motion to suspend Rule 5-106 has passed.
Thank you. Madam Secretary, will you please read resolution number 33-24 in its entirety this morning?
Yes, Madam Chair. Resolution number 3324. Resolution approving the engagement of Crammon and Graham PC for the purposes of assisting in an inquiry. Whereas Section 314 of the Anne Arundel County Charter grants the County Council the authority to engage the services of experts, consultants, or attorneys to aid in an inquiry or investigation. And whereas the County Council is conducting an inquiry that may result in recommendations for government reform and legislative actions. And whereas the County Council intends to engage outside counsel to provide legal and consulting services to assist in the inquiry. Now therefore be it resolved by the County Council of Anne Arundel County that the county council engages Crammon and Graham PC to provide legal and consulting services in its inquiry as authorized by section 314 of the Anne Arundel County Charter. And be it further resolved that Crammon and Graham may conduct fact-finding on behalf of the county council and provide recommendations for government reform and legislative actions based on the findings of its inquiry.
Thank you. Are there any questions or comments at this time from the council? Seeing none, Madam Secretary, please call the roll on resolution number 33-24.
Mr. Smith.
Aye.
Mr. Volkey.
Aye.
Ms. Hummer.
Aye.
Ms. Fiedler.
Aye.
Ms. Rabian.
Aye.
Ms. Ledbetter.
Aye.
And Ms. Pickard.
Aye.
7 in the affirmative, none in the negative. Resolution number 3324 has been adopted.
Thank you. Is there any other business the council would like to discuss at this time? Seeing none, everyone enjoy the August recess. May I have a motion to adjourn?
Motion to adjourn.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
All right, we'll see everybody on September 3rd, I believe. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Have a great day.